It's not a Salman Khan release, instead Shah Rukh Khan's Chennai Express and Akshay Kumar's Once Upon a Time in Mumbai Again will come head to head at the box office this Eid. Tarot makes a sneak peek into how the two films will fare and whether they will receive critical appreciation. Akshay Kumar was born on September 9th. Akshay Kumar's personal year comes on number 6. The planet of Venus, a planet that represents beauty, appreciation and creative success. Additionally, being a Virgo, the sensitivity of this sign towards acting is quite evident. This all seems to be a great formula to the success of 2013. But do the cards back the accepted generalization of this sun sign? Once Upon a Time in Mumbai Again is Akshay's Eid release, a lucrative time to see box office success. With the 9 and the Queen of Pentacles drawn, there will be undoubtedly immense success seen by this film. It will have a great opening and will retain that form of strength in the weeks to come. The promotion will, like the Ace of Pentacles, be different and risky, but this will pay off quite handsomely. It will be a great milestone in Akshay's career and his ability to draw in the crowds will be quite evident. Critical reception is being represented by the Judgment and Two of Wands cards, which demonstrates the importance of good content and a well-made film. It will generally be appreciated in all quarters. Shah Rukh Khan. The Scorpion Shah Rukh Khan is ruled by number 1 this year, the number of the sun. There will be nothing stopping him shine except his health intervening and slowing him down more than he would be comfortable with. But in terms of his career, he will grow in his body of work and will be loved more than ever. Chennai Express, directed by Rohit Shetty, will be energetic and fun. It will certainly receive a huge opening at the box office. The Ten of Pentacles is a great card representing lots of money and quick successes. It's a sustainability that might be a problem. This can be easily rectified through the better publicity, as currently the Seven of Swords show weakness in planning. They will need to be very smart in order to compete stronger. Response from overseas market will be very positive, as well as receiving a strong critical reception from them too. It's a win-win situation for Chennai Express, as the film's content will deliver well too. Who wins? There will be a stiff competition between both. Therefore, it is certainly unfair to judge who will do better. But currently, Once Upon a Time in Mumbai Again is edging slightly ahead of Chennai Express in terms of box office collections. Both films will be big hits, so there's a lot to look forward to this Eid.